experiment is related to the VI characteristics of different sources. So now this is the VI characteristics of LED kit and this is VI characteristics of laser kit. Now we are supposed to perform everything. We start with a VI characteristics first and afterwards the laser. On both the boards, voltmeter and current meter on both the kits, these are fixed. So no external voltmeter and current meter is required. Now understand for this kit, the source and detector on the VI characteristics of LED, source and detector, these are isolated separately. It is not connected in any circuit. Circuit is printed on the board, but this is not connected. You are supposed to connect while performing the practical. This anode to anode and cathode to cathode connections has to be done by us. We are supposed to connect it. Afterwards, connect a parallel as a voltmeter and series as a current meter. So this is a parallel connection for voltmeter and this is a series connection, that is for the current meter. Now why these are made isolated? Since we can check these detectors so that we can observe VI characteristics of LEDs on the DSO, and for that this is separate circuit is provided, that is a curve tracer where the transformer, and this is a separate ground for the curve tracer of DSO, and over here individually you are supposed to connect the anode to anode and cathode to cathode. So first we should check the LEDs and then we should proceed for the experiment. Now we are supposed to test this LED, both the LED. For that we are supposed to use this curve tracer part. As I told you, these LEDs are not connected in the board. We are supposed to test it. So this is a curve tracer LED. For that you need to adjust the DSO. Now these are the ground line. This is a ground pin of DSO. See, X is written over here. X is written over here, so that is channel 1. So X is a channel 1. Another is Y is written over here, so this is Y. See, my kit is off. Till this also my kit is off. Now I have connected to the channel 2. Afterwards adjust the display XY mode. Display, after adjusting the XY mode display, please adjust some position. Afterwards, this channel 1 coupling DC, channel 2 coupling DC, adjust the point. This is your point, that is you have adjusted. Okay. Now after adjusting this point, we are supposed to check our LEDs. Now LED over here anode. So anode wire should be connected to the anode of this LED and cathode wire is going to be connect to the cathode of LED. After connection, now I am making switch on. After making switch on, I can see again. Now after making switch on, I can see the VI characteristics of LED. See, this is the VI characteristics of LED. If you see this type of connection, this type of curve, so LED is working. Afterwards, switch off the kit. After switch off the kit, your CRO settings is as it is, DSO setting is as it is. Afterwards, check for the detector side. Again, you have to connect anode to anode and cathode to cathode, anode to anode and cathode to cathode. Then observe it. I am making on and see, you can observe that. Now this is my photo detector. This is my photo detector. This is a pin diode and previously it was a silicon diode. So that's why this VI characteristics will come at this point. So cutoff for your LED and photo detector will be different. Afterwards, conclude that your all components are working. Then you don't need any DSO for your experiment. After checking, you can remove the connection. Even you can remove the connections from the board also. The curve tracing part is finished at this point. Tambo.